Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are in the good health. We are going to study the unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. And our today's lesson is about the subtraction of big numbers with 7 or 8 digits. We will also solve some questions of the exercise 1b. Class, we have done subtraction in the previous classes. We will just revise it quickly. We always start working on the subtraction from right to the left. Here it is right and then left and then we goes from the right to the left. It means we started from the ones place. Here it is ones place. So we start subtraction from the 5 number. We always subtract bottom number. Here is a 9. From the top number, here is the 5. If the bottom number is larger than the top number, as here is a 5. 5 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow a value from the number in the column to the left. Here we borrow a number from the 6. Then we cross the original number. Here we cross the 5. And we will plus 10 in its place. Now subtract 9 from the 15 and we get 6. Then subtract 3 from the 5 and we get 2. And then here is a 7 left. Question number 7e. Subtract 2,864,932 minus 1,418,725. How do we will subtract? Now we start from the right side. Here 2 is less than 5. So we get carry from the 3 and 2 becomes a 12. Now we subtract 3 from it. Twelve minus 5 is equal to 7. And now we will subtract 2 from the 2, that is 0. And then 7 from the 9, here is a 2. Four again is less than 8. So we borrow a number from the 6 and it becomes 14. Subtract 8 from the 14 and we get 6. Here we left 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 8 minus 4, 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. And here is our answer. 1,446,207. Now we will solve the question number 8, part A. Find the difference in the greatest 8-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. Just think about that. What is the greatest 8-digit number? The greatest 8-digit number is 99,999,999 and greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now we subtract 5-digit number from the 8-digit number and we write it one after one from the right side. 9 minus 90, 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 and here the numbers ends. So we place here the zeros, or if you want you can leave it as it is. So 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9. And here we get this number. Now comes to question number 9, part A. Write in the vertical form and subtract these two numbers. When we have to place the vertical form, we should keep in mind some points that place your numbers with the larger one on the top and the smaller one on the bottom. After that, align your numbers so that the place value line up in the columns. First ones, then tens, then hundreds. And after that, start subtracting. Again, I have written the question, and after that we align the numbers from the ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. Here we subtract 9 minus 3, that's 6. And here is a 6, which is smaller than the 9. So we borrow a number from the 5 and it becomes 16. Now we will subtract 9 from the 16 and we get 7. Here is a 4. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Here is a 1, that is a smaller number, so we borrow a number from the 3 and it becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Here it remains a 2, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here again 2 is less than the 8, so we borrow a number from the 5 and it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Here left 4, but 4 is again smaller than 6, so we again borrow a number from the 8 and this 4 becomes a 14. Now we subtract 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. And here 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. And here it is our answer. It is 68,402,227. Now we will solve the question number 10, part D. Write the numbers which is 90,000 less than the 8,194,523. In this question, we will subtract 90,000 from the 8,194,523. First, we will align them from the ones. Here we write the larger number, that is the 8,194,523, and after that we have to align 90,000 from the ones. 0, 0, 0, and then 0, and then 9, and here is the no any number, so we place here the 0. If you don't want to place 0, then it's okay, you can left it as it is. Now 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, and 8 minus 0 is 8. And here is our answer, that 8,104,523. Recapitulation. Now we will recapitulate the steps of the subtraction. Place your numbers with the larger one on the top and smaller one on the bottom. Align your numbers so that the place value line up in the columns. Ones after ones, tens after tens, and 100 after 100. Start working from the right to the left. Subtract the bottom number from the top number. If the bottom number is larger than the top number, you need to regroup, borrowing the number or a value from the number in the column next to that number. If the bottom number is larger than the top number, you need to regrouping again, borrowing the value from the number in the column to the left. I just repeat the step so that you have to understand it well. Cross out the top number from your original column. Write the value of that number plus 10 in its place value. Proceed with subtracting the bottom number from the new
Now it's
larger
your
top number.
assignment that you have to fill in the blanks that greatest 5-digit number is, greatest 8-digit number is, and subtract these two numbers. You have 30 seconds to think about it and solve it. I will come back after the 30 seconds. Here are your answers. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Greatest 8-digit number is 99,999,999. And after subtracting these two numbers, we get 23,997,889. Now class, it is your homework that you have to solve these questions. Thank you.